Hi everyone, welcome back to the another video. In this video, I am going to discuss about the premium feature for the team. So let's get started. So here you can see I just opened the one meeting recap, which is the duration of this meeting basically 1 hour. So sometime what happened with you? The meeting is the very important, but you that time the another task which is the basically priority based, so you are not able to attend that meeting, but you want to know about the what happened in this specific meeting. So that time recap is already available, but you don't have enough time to watch this
Awarded.
whole session of the which is the 1 hour. So that if you have the premium feature for the meeting, like that I have now you can see on the screen I have this team premium benefit. So here you can see at the below there are three tabs which is the like speakers, topics or chapters. So here you can see I'm just click on this speaker. So you can see the below are the all the list of the speaker who speak basically spoke or speak on that particular meeting which is the display on the screen. And here you can see also the timeline where the speaker actually speak in the particular meeting. So here you can see Siddharth Vagasya that the in the timeline there are blue spotted portion there basically Siddharth speak on that particular meeting. Here you can see at the Swami Navle also at the red point there the Swami is the also Coons is the I know other speaker. So if you basically that timeline you switch to that particular meetings timeline on the session. So if I click on this red section, it switch that particular session where the Swami Navle actually speak. So that the premium features benefit for you. If I go to the next topic, which is the step of the topic, if I click on this particular topic, you can see which is the important topic is discussed in that particular meeting. Basically, this is the already auto-generated topics on the basis of the AI generation, which is the important for you. If I click on that particular section, basically here I click on this journey became with that the timeline, which is the journey of the becoming an MVP, which is that already discussed in the meeting. It particularly switch that timeline of that in the session. So next, if I click on this chapter, this is the basically the session timeline divided into the chapters. Basically, here you can see that the first is the journey of creating. The next session is the journey of becoming, which is the start from the 6 to 36 session timeline. So that's a particular way. And if I go to this right hand side, you can see the panel which is the meetings note, which is the basically here you can see that the AI generated content, which is maybe incorrect in some cases, but that's a basic view to the idea about what the topic we are covering in this particular session or particular meeting. So basically, the benefit of this premium feature is it save over time. So that's it for this particular video we discussed in today's. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends or brothers. Thank you.